New flex plate, ready to go, baby. Transmission is in. And got a bunch of little stuff to do, but the main part is done. Whenever you're doing Mopar transmission, make sure you mark your torque converter, your flywheel, before you put it in, so you're not searching for the missing bolts that don't line up. If it's hard to see or not, I put a little bit of crayon on here. See the crayon matching the torque converter and the flex plate. That way all the bolts should line up right the first time. And we should be good, hopefully. This transmission came out of the wagon about 20 years ago, so we'll see how it does in the New Yorker. Well, that sucks. Just had to start her out of this thing. Oh boy. Time to take it apart again. Well, that's an unexpected problem. Apparently, if you use the plate to adapt to the unbalanced converter to your cast crank 360, you cannot use the standard starter. See the little rub mark where the starter was sitting on the flex plate? Thought the starter went bad on me, but nope. Gotta get a mini starter now. Happy day.